Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a playlist on TikTok. It's very simple to do, but before we get into anything, I do have to ask if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, as I post a ton of TikTok related content that I know you guys will enjoy. With that being said, let's get right into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your account is on either a business account or a creator account. And the way you can check this is by hitting the three dots right here and then selecting manage account. Once you're on manage account, you're going to see the account control, and obviously on my account it says switch to a personal account or switch to a business account, and basically this means I'm on a creator account. However, yours may be different depending on how you have your account set up, so you want to make sure you're on either business or creator account. You don't want to be on a personal account because it currently doesn't have the option to create playlists for that account. Additionally, they're slowly rolling this feature out, so if you don't have the feature at the moment, don't be too worried, as TikTok has released in statements that they're going to be rolling this out to more and more people as the weeks go on. So if you don't have it immediately, don't worry, just make sure your account is on either business or creator, and eventually this update will be applied to you. I currently have it on my account and I got blessed, so that's why I'm showing you guys this tutorial today. So once you have the feature added to your account and you're on either a creator or business account, you're going to see this option right here that says sort videos into playlists on your video selection screen. What you can do is just tap that and you're going to see a screen that pops up that says step 1, name your playlist, and then add videos. So you can hit start creating, and I'll ask you to name your playlist. You can name it whatever you would like your playlist to be, then go to next, and then you can add all the videos that you want to that selected playlist. You can also change the order of what videos you want to come first in the playlist, which is very cool, and then you can create it. Once your playlist is created, it will show up on the bar above your videos, and you can select that playlist and edit it at any time that you want. If you want to add more videos to it, you can do that in the playlist selection editor. So guys, that's a very short and quick tutorial on how the new playlist feature works in TikTok. If you guys do have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys later.